What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Josh. If you find this content interesting, please consider subscribing to the channel and following me through this journey that we're going on. So today, what I am talking about is the Adams polishes mystery. They've kind of encompassed, and they've gone from doing just a mystery box, which is worth 30 bucks. And I think this past holiday season, they've got up to a box that's up to 500 bucks, and you get up to so much worth of products. So there's a million different Adams polishes unboxing videos for all the mystery kits. And so today, what I'm gonna go over is not necessarily what the unboxing is and what I got in it, but what's the value? Is there actually value worth getting these things? Obviously, you can't pick what you're gonna get when you opt to buy something like this, but you are guaranteed to get so much in product. And if you're looking to get into, getting into Adams plethora of products, they have pretty much every product under the sun you can think of on their website. But if you're looking to get in to try to, using some Adams stuff or get into the kind of the enthusiast grade, and getting away from kind of the stuff you buy at AutoZone or Walmart or wherever, this is an awesome option for you. You're really going to get a lot of value, and in my opinion, it's probably one of the best values you can get online for any sort of mystery kit. Chemical Guys, I know, does like a mystery kit every once in a while. Their products are okay. Some are awesome, and then some are just pretty terrible. But when we talk about Adams, pretty much everything is a home run, and I think you can't go wrong with it. So today, what I'm going to talk about is kind of what kit I got, and what the value is behind it. So please stick around, and let's get started. Okay, so for my birthday was a couple weeks ago, and my beautiful girlfriend opted to, she knows me really well, so she got me stuff from Adams, and probably one of the coolest kits I've ever got. So Marta, thank you for the gift. Definitely going to be putting it to use here actually today. So, and I just kind of wanted to make this video really quick. So when we talk about value for the mystery boxes and kits or whatever, so usually around Christmas time or Black Friday, Adams starts to really push different kinds of mystery kits. So like they do something with like a stool, they do one with polishers, they do just kind of the regular, they do one with a bucket. So they throw a bunch of stuff in a bucket, they kind of change it up to kind of suit whatever you want. Usually they'll do it with like one piece of equipment, and then they throw in like different types of products like here. So just a forewarning, the kit does not come like this. My girlfriend, she made it look really pretty. She got this box for me. She kind of displayed it really nice. Usually it just comes in a big cardboard box, and you just kind of unbox it and go like that. So one of the things that we're going to talk about on this video is what's the value. And I think that's kind of a really important thing, because it's like you obviously want to get value out of the mystery kits that you're buying, especially because you really don't know what you're going to be getting in it. So you want there to be some value behind it too. In total, this kit cost, everything here, when you buy it online, obviously all you know that you're going to get is the mystery, the seat. I mean, this is just kind of like a creeper seat, really handy to do for like polishing, doing wheels, anything that you need to get low in the car. It's actually really ergonomic. If you don't have one of these and you've been detailing for a while, especially if it's a long day, sometimes your back can be pretty sore at the end of the day. I've been there. For value, this alone is $120. The kit costs alone $120. Essentially, this paid for itself. All this was basically free, like thrown in as a, kudos, thanks for choosing Adams. Here's some of our stuff to try. That's basically what they're getting at. I'm going to be going over some of the value for all this. So this is 120. We're going to get into doing the value for what all is in here, and then we'll total it up at the end, and then I'll kind of give you, what's the actual, basic value for everything here. So this is Adams H2O Garden Gloss. Basically, it's a water activated sealant. They've kind of tweaked their formula recently in the past year or so, and now it's with hybrid technology. You'll see that on the bottle. That's basically, I think there's a small amount of SiO2 in here. It's probably pretty small, but this is a really good water activated sealant. So after you're done washing your car, before you dry, you spray some on. You take one towel that's wet, you rub it in. The next towel you take that, you have a dry one, and then you buff it off, and then it's then you have some sealant on there. So you can use this as a topper for any like sealant, or you could even probably use it with a ceramic coating. I don't know, I haven't done that yet, but I would probably just do it with the sealant, or you can use it as a standalone product. And kind of what I've seen from Adams is you don't want to use this after every wash. I think it's after every like 3 or 4 washes or so. But good product. This product alone right here is 20 bucks. Okay, so this 16-ounce bottle is 20 bucks. So next we have Adams. Actually have never tried this one yet. So this is actually a nice surprise in here. So this is Adams VRT vinyl rubber and trim dressing. It's a water-based dressing. It doesn't really give that much shine. but it, it makes the finish look deep and dark. So you can use it on plastic, you can use it on tires, you can use it on the trim around the car, you can use it pretty much anywhere that you want to give. You could use it on the bed of your truck, coming out pretty much anywhere you want to do. So this also is 20 bucks. Okay, so Adam's the bottle's kind of deformed here, but so we have Adam's tire and rubber cleaner. I featured this on one of my previous videos, and it does what it says it's supposed to clean. Tires and rubber. That's pretty much what it does. You can also clean your plastic that goes along the outside of your car with it. So always really good to have. This will get that browning and nasty stuff out of your tire. So the tire and rubber cleaner is $13. All right, so next in this mystery bucket, basket, whatever you want to call this, they threw in some waterless wash. You can use this, in between washes if you want, or if you don't want to break out a hose or bucket. If your car's not too dirty, you can go over it. It smells awesome. I can't even, kind of smells like Starburst or something like that. I don't even know what the actual scent of this bit. It smells really good. I've never used this one before actually, so this is actually a nice little extra surprise in the mystery kit here. But I'm, looking forward to trying it. So, this waterless wash is $10. Okay, next up is Adam's Tire Shine. I've also featured this on a previous video of mine, but this stuff is really good. It's a silicone-based tire shine. It lasts a while, lasts a little bit longer than any water-based dressings, but gives a really good shine. And you can tweak it to what suit your needs. You can put, you can spray it really liberally on the tire if you want some pretty wicked shine, or you can just spray it a couple times and then rub it in. That's kind of my look. I don't really like super glossy tires, but I like them to look rich and dark. So this stuff's really good. It smells like bananas, and the tire shine was 15 bucks. Okay, so next is the Undercarriage spray. So I've actually never used this product either, but I've seen it a bunch of times. Everyone seems to love it. Essentially what this does is it coats the underside of your fender wells and is able to protect them, and also it inhibits the dirt and the snow and the mud and the crap from what you're driving in to stick on the inside. It makes them easier to clean as you go through the winter or even the spring and summer months. So I'm really excited to try this one out. The Undercarriage spray is $13. Okay, so our last chemical in here is the Adams odor neutralizer. I have another one. It's kind of their fresh scent, which is pretty good. This one is their apple cinnamon, so it actually smells really good. If you really like scents in your car, you can use this. If you're detailing a car for somebody else, and you kind of want to give that last touch that kind of sets you apart from everybody else without having a cheesy air freshener in there, I think their odor neutralizers are really good. So, or if you have a nasty smell in your car, like you left, we've all done this before. Like you leave a protein shake open in your car, and that's pretty rancid. So this could definitely take care of that and help get some of that scent out. So the odor neutralizer is $17 for this retail. Okay, moving on here. So we have just a couple things left. Adams, they threw in just a couple stickers. I'm not even gonna count these because they're just super cheap. So there's this one, their regular logo, and then this is kind of like their logo for their place in Anaheim. They just recently opened a place down there. So I'm not even gonna count these. Here's a strawberry air freshener. I think, what was this? Like $2. I have one of the air fresheners in my car right now. It's like a vanilla one. It smells great. So it's like $2 for this. So they always seem to, when you order one of these mystery box kits or whatever, they always seem to throw in some microfiber towels. Their towels are really high quality. This is their Great White Drying Towel. It's really big. It's waffle weave towel. And the Great White Drying Towel is $20 for this. And then they also threw in a double soft polishing towel. These are super soft. I'm not gonna scratch or finish at all. It's not the cheap Chinese made microfiber towels. These are really good. So the double soft is $15. Okay, so in total for everything here, the grand total for everything retail is $265. So you paid $120 and you got $265 worth of stuff from Adams. I really don't think you can beat that. If you're really looking to get into some Adams stuff, pretty much they don't make anything that's bad. You really can't go wrong with any of their products. I'm not sponsored by Adams. They don't pay me to make these videos. I don't have an affiliate relationship with them. I'm a enthusiast that likes their products because they work and they do what they're gonna do. And to be honest, they kind of go above and beyond what your expectations are. I think a lot of times if we're so used to buying these like super cheap products, I'm not gonna throw anybody under the bus, or you're really disappointed with a product that you paid a pretty good price for, you're really not gonna have that with any of these Adams products. That's just my opinion. And again, I'm not sponsored by them. I don't make money from them. I'm just a enthusiast that likes to use their stuff. So throughout the rest of the time on my channel, I'm definitely going to be using Adams products. Just to let you guys know, and I've also said this before, but I'm just not an Adams connoisseur. I have other products that I really like too. Like you'll see me use Super Clean all the time. I have IK Foamer. I have pretty much any other product. I have some stuff from Chemical Guys. Like I'm just not an Adams fanboy, but I really think that their products work really well. And, as an enthusiast, which I'm not, I'm not a professional. I don't do, 10 cars per week. I do my car, maybe a couple of my parents' cars a week if the weather cooperates. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, feelings, and emotions about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if this kind of stuff interests you and, you want to see more of it. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Get outside and do some detailing. See ya. I featured this on my previous video. I featured this